So today, I got dragoness on jack stands only because we're going to be changing that fuel pump, alright? Let's get to it. Alright, so to get straight to the point, around the gas tank, you're going to have to unplug a couple lines. I would say, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. About 4 lines in the plug for the power the fuel pump. Alright, so other than that, we got to take these 3 bolts off right over here, right in there. Those 3 off. Alright, so this right here is for the focus. There you go. This right here is for the fuel pump. It's a power thing. You gotta take these 2 lines off. So this one you just pull off. This one right here you gotta take that little yellow thing off right there and then pull it apart. Then you go back here, you pull this one off. It's right next to like where the fuel filter is. I actually took off the fuel filter not too long ago, which is not hard. You just take that off, that one, you unplug them, you put the little fuel filter removal tool in there, it'll unlatch and you just pull out. So you just push it, unlatch, and then just switch it out. So yeah, this one right here. Then you got, let's see, you're gonna have to disconnect this from the fuel filter because it's connected in here, and this right here, back where the fuel door is at to put gas and stuff, and you got to take this little thing off right here. So I'll show y'all what it looks like after that. Alright, also y'all got to go ahead and check out my sponsor, Lord Empire. It's right over here. Check that out. At LordEmpire.com, you go ahead and get yourself shirts, you can get keychains, some vinyls for your cars, stuff like that. Don't forget to check that out. Also, bam, right there, Dragon GT Live. Use promo code and you get 15% off, alright? Let's get back to the video. Alright, so here we go. Gas tank out. So you will have to unplug 1, 2. This is like the rear of the car, and this is like the front. That's where it goes. So you're going to have to unplug 1, 2. On this one right here, it has a little clip that you gotta unhook from these 2 sides and then pull out. Let's see, 3, 4, that's what's hooked up to your fuel filter. 5, 6, and then the little nozzle that goes here where the gas goes in, it's right here. And 7. Those are about the only things you gotta unplug, really. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 things. So, and then just take this out, put the new one in, bolt it all in, and then put it right back on the car. And that's all we got. That's it. So, we got new plans coming in. Already got some rims for the car. I'll show you right here real quick. Yep, I got some XXR wheels from Fitment Industries. They're 19-inch rims and 10 wide. I'll put that in the next video and y'all can see the rims. I probably won't be putting the tires on myself. I know how to put the rims on the car and torque them to spec, because this car takes about 105 torque for each wheel. But probably my next video will be that. The video after this one, I'm gonna post it today as well, and it's going to be taking off those resonators off of my car so we're gonna make it sound a little bit more raspy. So if you want to tune into that, wait just a couple minutes and I got you. So we got some big stuff coming in. I already got a wide body kit in the house. I just gotta see fitments and stuff like that to go on it. I'm gonna go ahead and put my Instagram right there. Alright, so if y'all want to add me on Instagram, feel free to. I have stuff coming up for Dragoness. If y'all want to follow, y'all can. If you like what you see, don't forget to stomp on that like button and scratch on that subscribe button to become part of the Dragon Clan. Me and Dragoness will catch you on the next one. You have a great day, alright?